What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another Tile Tool Tuesday. I've had a lot of subscribers request a review on this tile leveling system by Level Tech. Now this is a quick snap cap sort of system. What we're going to do in this video is super simple. Talk about the product. I will leave a link in the description if you want to check out pricing and specs. We're going to mix up some thin set and show you how this performs, how this anti-lippage system works. And keep in mind, I know I'm going to install on a flat substrate, but this is just demonstration purposes on how well this system works. Leveling system with one click. Here we go. Let's mix up some thin set and get this demonstration going. Let's quickly show you what this system looks like. Here are your spacers. Here are your caps. So they simply click into place and then you slightly turn it clockwise to tighten this cap. In order to avoid lippage and level out tiles. Spacers are here. And your caps. Super easy system. Snap, twist. Snap and twist. I like the system. Alright guys, we're going to let the thin set cure up and set, and then I will show you how to remove these caps and then give you my thoughts on this anti-lippage tile leveling system. Alright guys, time to remove the tile leveling system caps. They break super easy. And they get removed just like that. Well, there you have it. Level Tech anti-lippage system for large format tiles. I love this system. We're going to use this on a upcoming project with very large format tile. Super easy to install, super easy to remove, nice and clean. Excellent system. I like it a lot. As per usual, don't forget to subscribe. If you want to see future tile tool videos, tap the bell icon below, smash the like button, and I'll see you guys on the next one.